Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block report.txt file to show up in search result in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in .htaccess file and we are going to add code, and you can use that code in WordPress or PHP website. So there are few cases in which the robot.txt file itself might show up in search result. So we are going to prevent it by indexing from search engine. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we added file match, and then you see robots.txt file. So this is our file name, and then you see header set x report tag no index no follow, and then file match close. You will find this code in video description or in comment section, and then click on save changes. Now saving .htaccess file, and then you see success message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.